Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me I do have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR 4x4 double cab. This is going to be your base trim level, but you do have the double cab model, optional V6. You also do have your TSSP still standard, so you've got your dynamic radar cruise, forward collision alert with pedestrian detection and emergency braking, lane departure alert with keep assist, as well as your automatic high beams, which are nice touches. Now coming down here to your wheels, we're riding on hand-cooked tires, and these are going to be your 16-inch steel wheels. You have your exhaust over here, V6 badging, as well as running boards, which are a nice touch. You do have keyless entry on this model, and then the window sticker is inside, so we'll take a look at that in a second. Your floor mats down there. And as far as the window sticker goes, as you can see, the Tacoma SR 4x4 double cab. As far as the options go, we do have Toyo Guard Platinum, as well as the running boards, paint protection, as well as phone charger, for a total of $34,495. And then our gas mileage is going to be 18 city and 22 out on the highway. So we'll go ahead and take our keys. We'll stick in the ignition. This one does have 130 miles on it. It does start right up, of course. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath your hood, you do have that 3.5 liter dual low braid cam V6 engine. This features D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 278 horsepower and 265 foot-pounds of torque, all going to all four wheels and the 6-speed automatic transmission. So this is going to be your upgrade engine. You do have a base 2.7 liter 4-cylinder available as well. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Over here in your side mirror, you do have that paint protection film, as well as it being body color. They are heated. Nice pinstriping as well. Running boards do help you get into your cabin, which is going to be your cement gray cloth interior. Four-way manual driver's seat with your manual lumbar via that knob. Your Tacoma floor mats down below, as well as your padded door panel materials, power windows, locks and mirrors with door storage down below. Over here we do have our bed light, as well as auto high beams. And then coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. We have our audio, voice commands and Bluetooth, as well as our 4-way D-pad for our center LCD and our gauges. Down below here, our dynamic radar cruise and lane keep assist for our TSSP. Cruise control is a separate stalk back here. Over on the left, we do have our headlights, as well as our daytime running lights and tap to through relinks blinkers. Then over on the right, we do have our high and low wipers. Coming to your audio system, checking out sources, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to setup, you do have various vehicle settings for your audio system, as well as your display. You can change the color of your audio system, stuff like that. Down below here, single zone manual climate controls, fan speed, temperature, and zones, as well as your part-time four-wheel drive system. You have your heated mirrors right there. ECT power, as well as your auxiliary and USB audio inputs, and a 12-volt. Various storage cubbies, 2 sets of cup holders, as well as your 6-speed automatic. You have a sport mode and manual shift, and then in reverse, you'd have your rear view camera on your audio screen. Nice padded armrest with a 12-volt down in there. Glove box, damped, of course. Manually dimming rear view mirror right here. We do have our sliding sun visor right here that you can detach, and it does slide. Traction control, as well as your sunglass storage and map lights. So that's about it for the front seat. Of course, we'll go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, of course you do have that same cement gray cloth. Running boards as well to help you get in. Rubberized padding on your door panel as well with your storage. Front seat set from a 5'9" driving frame. Plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below. Cup holders and a seat mat pocket over here. We also do have our headrest, as well as your bed vent that you can open up. Coat hooks up top, and your damped cornering handles over there to the sides. Nice dome light up top. Front license plate bracket over here. So we'll go ahead and climb out, and we'll check out our bed. Now with this being your double cab model, you have the 5-foot composite bed back here. 4x4 badging, backup camera, as well as your locking function. It is damped, thankfully, even on your base SR models. Bed rails on either side, as well as your 4 D-rings in all 4 corners to help tie down larger items. Storage on either side as well. And so that concludes this video of our 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR 4x4 double cab. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Garrison, and I will see you in my next video.